Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Amara Raja batteries. So in Amara Raja batteries, there's one specific thing I want to tell you. The stock is trading above this 50 moving average and also well above 200 moving average. So this is bullish for now. The second thing, in weekly chart I'll plot a resistance which will be a very important and critical level. Once it breaches this resistance level, that is 1025.55, in case we see any close above this, even in daily chart, there are good chances prices will head up. On the upside, we can see the targets of 1064, 1064 will be a very good target, and then 1078, and then the last final target I'm looking at 1128. So here, once it closes above this resistance level, this resistance level is going to be the key level, because we have seen some selling coming in here. You can see there has been a selling coming here from this level. So in case we see any close above 1025.55, we can expect prices move to 1064, 1079 and 1128. Now let me also show you how it has reacted at 1025 levels. Let's scroll back. Okay, in this level, let me show you the way prices have behaved. You can see here, previously whenever this level has broken, the prices have swiftly moved. There was a very sharp movement on the upside for a target of 1064 and 1079. This is the reason I'm maintaining this target. Once it closes above this, we can expect 1064 and 1079. You can see here again at this level closed above 1064 and then quick move to 1079. So in the same way, here once prices closes above 1064, we can have a good move till once prices close above 1025, we can have a good move to 1064. And in case prices drops down at 50 moving average, in case prices drops down to 50 moving average, let me mark that, you can see a reversal pattern and take an entry again for a target of 1025 and 1064 and 1079. You can see how previously this 50 moving average has acted as a resistance, and later on it has turned out to be a good support. You can see here this place was a very critical area where prices have been rejected from 50 moving average, and once closed successfully, it has retested and started moving up here. And here again at 50 moving average, you can see here how prices have behaved, and once it has closed above this, it has again moved up. So in the same way, probably I'm expecting the same 50 moving average to act as a support here. You can see here recently also this 50 moving average, though it has broken below 50 moving average, again buyers have pushed it up, and here as well closed below 50 moving average, again prices had been pushed up. So in the same way, once prices touches to 50 moving average, you can see for a reversal pattern and take a long position, taking the nearest resistance as the targets. And in case it closes above 1025, we can expect 1064 and 1079. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.